right guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my last of my 2 boxes that I got of the $10 grab bags, because like I said, I was able to score 2 more of these. These are just the clearance items. This isn't the Christmas one yet. They should be releasing those in about a week. So as soon as they start releasing those boxes, I'm gonna grab up some of those, and then I'll be opening those on the channel. So make sure, if you guys haven't subscribed, you guys subscribe so you guys can catch it as soon as I download a new video of the grab bags, or even when I'm posting crafting videos too, which hopefully I'll get back to soon. I've just been a little busy, so but let's see what we got, guys. Oh my goodness, looks like more Cricut stuff, which I'm okay with. I got another one of these. I believe these were like silverware holders for their summer collection. And then we got some more of the smart vinyl. This is a blue color. This is a removable. These are the smaller rolls. Looks like I got 2 of this color. These are removable vinyl. And then I did get some of these. These are the removable matte vinyls. And 2 of these in the peach color. And then it looks like we got this teal bluish color. And then we got a whole, quite a few of these rolls. So we got another removable, just in a different color. This is the smaller roll. This is the 13 by 3 foot. And then we got some more of the pretty purple ones. This one actually, I think, is a smaller roll. Yeah, these are permanent vinyl. These are the smaller rolls. They're the 3 foot rolls. And then it looks like we got some more, oops, sorry. Looks like we got some more of the bigger rolls. And these are permanent. So we got like a orange, yellow, green, and these are permanent, but if you see, these are a 13 by 12 foot roll, so these are way bigger than the other rolls. And then, ooh, I like this color. This is so pretty. So this is a permanent, and these are the bigger rolls. This is a 13 by 12, and we got 2 of this pretty blue glitter. And if you guys look, like, the glitter ones are $12 a piece. I got 2 of these in here, so well worth got my $10 these boxes for sure. I know these are permanent. They're not like HTV or anything, but permanent vinyl is always nice. And then, oh, looks like we got another one of the orangish yellow colored ones. These are the bigger ones, the permanent vinyl. And we got a removable red in the bigger. This is the 12 foot roll. So, all right, guys. We have another empty box and a lot more Cricut vinyl. So make sure, if you guys haven't yet, you guys like, subscribe, and I'm always welcome to comments, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.